Is your snake plant growing slowly, turning yellow, or suffering from root rot? The biggest mistake isn't watering, it's the soil. Even healthy-looking plants can silently decline if they're planted in the wrong mix. Today, you'll discover the perfect soil recipe that helps snake plants grow faster, stronger, and produce more healthy leaves. Let's dig in. 1. Why soil matters. Snake plants naturally grow in dry, rocky environments where water drains quickly. Regular garden soil traps moisture around the roots, creating the perfect conditions for rot. The right soil keeps roots healthy, supplies oxygen, and encourages stronger growth. Healthy roots always produce healthier, taller leaves. 2. Choose a fast-draining mix. The best soil is loose and airy. A cactus or succulent potting mix works wonderfully because it's designed to drain excess water quickly. This prevents soggy roots and reduces the chance of fungal diseases while allowing your snake plant to thrive indoors. 3. Add perlite. Perlite is one of the best ingredients for snake plants. These lightweight white particles create tiny air pockets inside the soil, improving drainage and preventing compaction. Mix about 20 to 30% perlite into your potting mix for healthier roots and better moisture balance. 4. Mix in coarse sand. Coarse horticultural sand mimics the snake plant's natural habitat. It helps excess water flow through the soil while adding stability for larger plants. Avoid fine beach sand because it packs tightly and can actually reduce drainage instead of improving it. 5. Use bark or pumice. Small orchid bark pieces or pumice create extra air spaces around the roots. They help prevent water from sitting too long and encourage stronger root development. These natural materials also keep the soil loose for a much longer time. 6. Avoid heavy garden soil. Garden soil may seem convenient, but it's usually far too dense for indoor snake plants. It compacts over time, reducing airflow and trapping moisture. This often leads to root rot, fungus, and weak leaves that eventually collapse. 7. Pick a pot with drainage holes. Even the perfect soil can't save a plant sitting in standing water. Always choose a pot with drainage holes so extra water can escape freely. Healthy drainage works together with the right soil to protect the roots from constant moisture. 8. Refresh old soil. After 2 or 3 years, potting soil breaks down and loses its ability to drain well. Repot your snake plant into fresh, well-draining soil to restore airflow, improve nutrient availability, and give roots the healthy environment they need. 9. Don't over-fertilize. Rich, heavy soil filled with fertilizer isn't necessary for snake plants. Too many nutrients can damage the roots and encourage weak growth. A light feeding during the growing season is enough when paired with the proper soil mixture. 10. The perfect soil recipe. For amazing results, mix 2 parts succulent soil, 1 part perlite, and 1 part coarse sand or pumice. This combination provides excellent drainage, plenty of airflow, and just enough moisture retention to keep your snake plant healthy year-round. Now you know the secret behind healthy snake plants. It all starts below the surface. The right soil creates stronger roots, healthier leaves, and fewer problems with rot. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next gardening adventure.